Hello YouTube, this is Nathan Dewey on behalf of Blade Forums and Jersey Devil Forums. A while ago I did a video showing you the prototype knife I have been working on called the Gremlin. Well, I got my feedback from the Balisong community and this was the result. This is the new and improved Gremlin California Legal Balisong pocket knife. Here's the prototype for comparison. Main difference between the two is fit and finish. The body screws are countersunk and drilled right into the G10. It's very solid. It's not going to pull apart. And because you don't have that huge cutout on the end, you actually have about half an inch more handle. So it's more flipper. Wasn't supposed to do that. It's more flipper friendly. What really makes a good flipper is the amount of handle, among other things. So again, short handle, not the best flipper, but still a very good pocket knife. The tang cups are interior instead of cut all the way through. And what that does is, for the pivot area, it makes it that much stronger because less material is removed. All the new Gremlins have polished blades with a swedge and a rounded spine. They still have jimping, but it's not as aggressive as the prototype. Because of the rounded spine, it gives more of a tacky feeling. It's much more comfortable to use. Okay. I made 5 of these. This is number 1 of the 5. I have still pictures of the rest of them in a link below if you want to check that out. Okay, that's my review of the new and improved Gremlin. Thanks for looking. Take care, guys.